Welcome back. This is going to be a pretty short one today. I recorded this about a year and a half ago and wasn't even sure if I wanted to put it up on YouTube. I wasn't sure if I even wanted to do YouTube at the time. But I really liked the way the model came out, so I guess you all get to see it now. That's pretty cool, right? Anyway, like the Sazabi, the Hyaku Shiki is cast in this orangey plastic, which I was told looks like the old Gunpla resin kits. And that checks out. Also, like the Sazabi, the detail is amazing, especially considering the size and the price. Okay, let's get to work. My go-to for filling seams after gluing is this flexible black super glue from Wave. Obviously it's available here in Japan, but you can get something similar in other places. Clean it. I started by coating everything with gray Mr. Hobby surfacer. Could I have used black? Sure, but I didn't have any at the time. Would I use black now? Probably. For the gold, I used Mr. Color's Super Rich Gold, and what can I say, it's this beautiful warm gold that really comes close to matching the old discontinued Hyaku Shiki gold that was released alongside the last HG kit. I painted the blue with regular XF8 Tamiya blue, I think. All of the hand brushing was done with Vallejo paints. And also, this paint really doesn't want to stick to any sort of gloss paint. The same for the inner frame. And that's it. I actually didn't record any more after this. Like I said, I had no idea if I even wanted to do YouTube at the time. The last thing I've got is the top coat, which was done with Gaia Notes Gloss Clear. Panel lining was done with just plain Tamiya black enamel paint. And after that, we're good to go. Enjoy the finished model.